In this video, I'll show you how I created from scratch a streetwear Halloween drop for my clothing line. Let's get started. For the creation of this design, I want to go with the classic colors of Halloween, so orange, black and purple, with elements that represent Halloween. If you're watching this video after Halloween, please keep watching since this graphic can be used even for a normal collection, changing some elements. We can start by importing an image of a skeleton and adding a gradient map with two of the colors in my palette. Now I'm cutting out the skeleton in a really imprecise and curved way. If you want to find out why I chose to use this imprecise and curved way of cutting this skeleton image by hand, stick around since it's a very interesting concept and idea I chose to use for this graphic. Let's add black as a background color since we need it to match the color palette. We can add my brand's name with a really nice font found in the Adobe Fonts section since it adds curves to the rough cut graphic. I'm resizing the document since I want to make a wide graphic instead of a narrow graphic that can affect even the printing quality. Now comes the part where I write about the drop and definitions to really explicitly tell what's the drop about. The next thing we're going to do is to add some other images and elements to make the design more complex, such as the lighted pumpkin face, also cut roughly, and some vector art images of bats. Don't mind too much the colors since after we're going to apply another gradient on top of the final graphic that we're making now, since I want to create a sort of merging graphic with the actual color of the t-shirt. I will make the t-shirt color purple or orange. Since it's a pretty large design, I'm going to add it to the back of the t-shirt. Then, to mask a bit the precise cut of the body because of the image angle, I'm going to add some clouds that are going to add a spooky vibe for this Halloween drop. Now, let's add the last details and it's practically finished. Now we just need to add it on a mockup. By the way, as you can see by the perimeter of this mockup, it's not a real mockup that I will display at the end. It's just a reference mockup that then I will use to create the final one. Here's the final result. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!